Next up, storm the castle, Act 3, Tier 3. We need to complete a mercenary camp, clear a mercenary stronghold, defeat Warlord, and collect Strauss's research. This is simple enough. What we need to do is find our way into a fresh game, preferably with some good weapons. You'll also need probably some good armor too, at least a 2-plate, because, well, we are going up against a ton of guards, which means, of course, we'll be taking a ton of damage. And obviously, if you've been in the game for a while, the mercenary camps are probably cleared out already. I don't think we need to do all of these in one game, but we may need to. You know what, I think we'll just do this in one foul sweep. I'm pretty sure we just need to complete a Merc Camp to get the Mercenary Stronghold keycard, get into a Mercenary Stronghold, clear that out, get another keycard, and move to the Legacy Fortress, where I'm pretty sure we'll be finishing this. Anyways, now usually you'll find a Mercenary Stronghold keycard in the cache in the area, which is a little box hiding around somewhere. But I've also seen it dropped off on mercenary convoys as well when you destroy those. But we do need to complete a normal mercenary camp in order to finish this mission though. So what we need to do is find one of these merc camps and clear it out completely. Leave no guards behind. Once you've cleared it out completely, you'll find that you get a pop-up saying merc camp cleared. Now all you need to do is find a computer / thing like this, loot it, and you'll find a Merc keycard. Simply take this, and the first part of the mission will be done. Then the next one is to clear a mercenary stronghold. If I mark one, it's a picture of a little castle like that. Now that we have time, all we need to do is make sure we have the keycard on us so we can get in there. Then we'll head to it, open it up, and clear it out. Just note that you'll find at least one riot shield enemy in here, so it's a good idea to have a sticky grenade with you, thermite, or something along those lines. And there'll be a few of these angry shock troopers here too. So you can already see this one here. Let's get rid of him, and there we go. It should be a lot easier from now without those riot shield boys. Those are probably the most annoying kind. So there'll be reinforcements called in as well. Getting rid of these ones before they can bum rush you. You should be notified once all of these are gone. At least I'm pretty sure. No, never mind. You'll clear it out. Then you'll need to find a safe somewhere in the same building. Usually in places like this, it'll be upstairs. Simply hit F to start drilling it. So plonk. And now we just need to stay semi-close by to this in order for it to finish. What I'd recommend you do is you find your way to the roof in a spot where you'll still be making progress, as there'll be a reinforcement helicopter that's called in. If you can gun it down before it lands, great, do exactly that. So landing 2 Semtexes on it, it should hopefully be gone. No, actually, this thing's a lot stronger than I remember. Okay, well, not doing that, I suppose. We'll just handle the guards when they come in. So they'll make their way to the safe, and if you're not nearby, they'll probably stop it, clearing them through a choke point here, which was very easy. All we need to do now is just hang around and wait until this thing is done. Sweet, there we go. Safe is done drilling, and moving across to it, you'll also find a ciphered tablet, which we can pick up, and a fortress keycard. This legacy fortress keycard is what we need in order to complete this mission. When you head across to the legacy fortress, which is always located up here, and clear it out, we'll be defeating the Warlord and collecting the research that we need. As there's only a minute left and the radiation area is close to them, I'll be extracting and doing this in the following game. So we'll exfil and come back next game. Okay, so leaving, we'll search again, keeping the keycard on us. No, okay, that doesn't carry through between runs. And quickly completing a mercenary camp. We'll take the keycard. Okay, so we'll pull up here and clear this one out as well. We should now get ourselves another document that we can pick up, 3-plate, and a legacy fortress keycard. Alright, so approaching the legacy fortress, you'll need quite a bit of HP and plates and stuff like that, as this place is very well guarded. If we move in here and grab ourselves some cover, it's not going to be so difficult to do this solo. It still won't be super easy though. These shadow companies are very well armored. Oh, and not to mention the helicopters. So finding some cover here, although not really cover, we'll clear this out, and now we can hopefully use this for some cover. There we go. Okay, so we'll move up this hill, slowly that is, and get rid of these, starting with the helicopters that come in. So we'll pick away at these elites until eventually we gain access, and I think the helicopter will probably come back. Yeah, it is. But if we head down the hill, I think this thing just goes away. That is most definitely the wrong one. This is the right one. It's not really taking any damage at all. It's already half HP. It's just a matter of whether we survive or not. Nope. And that was our one and only self-revive, so we need to very carefully watch ourselves. So we'll get rid of the anti-tank and the other AI there. Then maybe get a bit further up this hill or something. There's the helicopter. All right. Nope, that's definitely not the right helicopter. There we go. There it is. Don't know how much this is doing actually. Oh no, there we go. Disabled vehicle. Cool. Well, that was pretty successful, actually. Carrying a rocket launcher with us definitely helped. Okay, now comes the tough part, actually clearing out the camp. I've already used a self-revive, so I don't have a second one, unfortunately. We just need to do this as carefully as humanly possible. Ow, I not get over here. I think getting in and out of cover is probably the best thing to do. Oh, and to recharge our shields, we'll use this ability. So there we go, making some progress here. Ow, jeez. And losing the progress instantly. Let's see, there's an anti-tank up there. That's the one that's harassing me. Having teammates that give us max ammos and stuff is actually kind of useful. Even if they're not directly here with us, they are giving us some kind of support, I suppose. Okay, so we'll make our way to the center turret and bash it out of existence. Then keep making our way around from cover to cover, even though I think we've pretty much already cleared this entire thing out. And I think these reinforcements just infinitely come, if I'm not mistaken. So we do need to make a move eventually. We can't clear it out completely. That being said, we can still make sure that it's safe-ish. Alright, making our way to the main building and unlocking it. This will probably call in some more reinforcements. Not to mention we now have some very annoying riot shield guards to deal with. Maybe that'll sort this one out. Do we have any plates here? Yes, one. Okay, that's something, I suppose. These little chargy boys do spawn in on the helicopters and they're very annoying to deal with, so make sure you deal with them probably first. And just note these little tactical decoys that pop up. If you happen to shoot them, they'll drop a flashbang. So checking for tripwires as well. Catching the chargy boys before they catch us. Should be able to clear this place out relatively easily. Also watching for tripwires on doors. Death perception is actually working really well in our favor. Probably the best perk to come in here with. Clear out the reinforcements. And keep slowly working our way through here till eventually you find the boss. Do note that this one does carry a fire shotgun on them and does a ton of damage, so you'll want to take them out from afar. Once you've taken out the Warlord, should be able to practically just head straight for them, and they should have dropped you Strauss's research. Sweet. Now that we have this, we're done with the mission. That's it. It's actually a really cool mission, and not to mention we get a really cool shotgun as well at the end of it. So anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.